I am making a 2-ingredient cake. I got the cake mix here and my pie filling. And I got my pan here and I am spraying it with my oil. Spread this in our pan. Now for the non-stick and dark colored pans, you want your temperature to be 25 degrees lower. So I'm baking it at 325 instead of 350 because this is a dark pan, but if you have a regular aluminum pan, just keep it at 350. All right, gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, I forgot to film taking it out of the oven. Well, thought I was filming, but I forgot to record. Put whipped cream on it to make it 3-ingredient, Cool Whip, whichever you want. There you go. Yum.